Okay, dokie. The show is on. Hello. Come here a little bit. Okay, we are actually at, I don't even know the name of this restaurant, but it's a Korean grill. So we are actually at the Korean grill and we are going to be talking about the food that we are going to be eating over here. There's a couple of salads over here that we're going to be starting with, and then the grill stuff is going to be coming on a little bit. So you know what, we're going to be looking at the grill stuff. So let me mention that we are actually using the Sony zv1. Again, this is a testing, the Sony zv1, and of course we are testing it along with the moza gimbal. So this is pretty cool. This is an excellent example of using the moza on a tabletop. As you can see, the height of the moza, and when you put the Sony camera on, it actually is pretty much at the level, at the eye level, which is actually a very good thing.
Playing our songs, I think about you as I'm driving home. I wonder how two people so right our hearts. 'Cause I remember when we danced all night. You were laughing and we felt alive. I should have taken the moment when it was right.
Metal chopsticks. Mama, show the chopsticks to the... Metal chopsticks. I remember when I was growing up, I actually watched a Chinese kung fu movie where they were using the chopsticks to do the kung fu. So it reminds me of that. I know, it sounds silly.
Here right in front of you.